Hey guys, this is mjaved with another quick tip to know whether how we can change a video file format with the help of VLC player. Well, there are many popular video file formats available, and it's really important to understand these file formats if we want our videos to perform well on different platforms. Anyhow, before changing the file format, let me show you the file type of the video I want to change. And here you can see that the type of file is .mp4, and this is what I want to change. Now just open the VLC player and press Ctrl+R or select Convert/Save option under the Media tab. It will open a small pop-up window, and under the File tab, click on Add to select the video you want to change. Now click on this drop down and select Convert, and then select the quality of your video, and since it has already selected an HD quality for YouTube videos, I am not going to change it. And then click on the Edit button to select the file type, and here you will have a bunch of popular file type options, and you can select the one of your choice. For the purpose of demonstration, I select mkv file type and then click on Save. Now click on the Browse button to save your new file and change the name if you want. Then click on Save and then click on Start. Now it will take all the time it needs to convert it, and when it will complete the conversion, just close the VLC player. And here you can see that the new file has been created and saved. Now go to its properties by right clicking on it, and here you can see that the file type has been changed from .mp4 to .mkv. Now play it, and here you can see that the quality is also good. And this is how you can use VLC player to change the file format according to your need, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.